is this? This is a great white shark. What color is the shark? The shark is blue. Where do sharks live? Sharks live in the ocean. Where are the shark's teeth? Here they are. How many teeth does a great white shark have? What do great white sharks eat? What is their skin made of? Where is the shark's tail? Here it is. Do you think sharks are scary? How fast can a great white swim? Have you ever seen a shark?